My name is Alex, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys a platform in which you can use to trade your cryptocurrencies. Okay, you just have to copy trade. Basically it's copy trade. That is, if you don't know how to trade, you just copy trade. You follow the strategy of a good or a professional trader to make profit for yourself. Okay, that is how it works. So the name of the platform, as you can see here on my device, is primexbt.com. Okay, so you just go to your web browser and input this website, and this is how it's going to be on your mobile device. If you are using a laptop, it's same thing. Okay, so first thing you have to do, you have to register. If you haven't done that, you just click on register here. It's register icon and register. But since I've done it, I will just input my email and password, and that's all. So I log in. Okay, so now this is how the platform looks like. Here is just the home page. Okay, so you have to make deposits when you want to start trading. Okay, you just have to make deposit. Now first thing you have to do is either you can choose any of these wallet and deposit. Okay, as you can see here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, USD coin. Okay, so you just have to choose the one suitable for you and you deposit. All right, so how do you deposit? You click on this icon, deposit. If you want to deposit Bitcoin, you click on deposit. Okay, and it's going to pop up this way. So you have to send only Bitcoin to this address. Okay, that is how you deposit. Okay, or you can buy using your credit card. Okay, so this is how you click and you buy. You can buy just like this, as you can see here, with your MasterCard or Paxful. Okay, so that's just how it works. So you click back on dashboard. All right, so that's how you deposit. Now the next thing you have to do is how to copy trade. It's quite simple how to copy trade, and you can also stake here and start earning on your crypto. Okay, you can just click here, yield accounts, and you see the earnings. Okay, it's just like staking. All right, it's just like staking. So that's how you do it. You click on continue and you see the processes on how to stake. This is it here. So you can see here, yield rate. Okay, 0.25% for standard, and advanced gives you 0.31, and premium gives you 0.37, and elite gives you 0.5 for staking. Okay, just have to lock your crypto asset for a particular period of time and you earn rewards. That's how it works. Okay, so we have to go back and let's see how this platform works, how we can start following the process and the techniques of other traders. Okay, so now this is how you do it. This, you scroll down and you see copy trading. Okay, you see copy trading. So what you have to do is just simply click on get started or start new following. So you click on start new following and you will see lists of traders and their active days and number of followers. So how do you know a successful trader? What you have to look at, first of all, what we have to just check is the total for today. For today, he has done 1.19%, and active days 98% for this first person, one route, and the number of followers copying this strategy is just 32. Okay, so another thing you have to look is you have to look also at the followers equity. That means how much did the followers invest on this strategy. As you can see, for the first person, they invested $6,188. Okay, so you just click on this person to see also more about the strategy of this person. So now what you have to do now, you have to look at, okay, for this person now, how much is he investing? The trader, how much is the trader investing for this strategy? Now for this first person now, as you can see, manager equity, now this person is using 10,239 USDT for this strategy. That's to tell you this person is serious and is up and doing. Okay, so that's what you have to look at, because if the person bringing a strategy doesn't have good amount of equity, then there's no point following that trade. Okay, so you have to look at the trading equity of the manager and also the followers equity to be sure of what you are doing. Okay, and for today he has done 1.57% just for today. Okay, so that's how you know a profitable trader. And if you invest on this trader as standard, right? If you want to start with standard, you can see here you will get 60% of your deposits, and 20% goes to the platform and 20% goes to the manager. Okay, so that's how this thing works. And if you want to follow, you just scroll down and you click on follow. You can see follow here. You click on follow. When you click on it, so you just select any of them you want to purchase and you click on continue. Okay, and you see the minimum amounts. Now the minimum amount for this trade or to follow this trader is 50.5 USDT. Okay, so you just have to transfer this exact amount from your centralized exchange like your Binance and OKX down to the address. Okay, just like as shown in the first part of this video. Okay, so that's how it works, and the entry fee is just 1%, which is 0.5 USDT, and for total you require is 50.5 USDT. Okay, so that is how this platform works. It's quite easy if you don't know how to trade. Okay, if you are scared of trading by yourself using features or spot, you can do this. Just invest and copy the trade. It trades for you. You take your profit, and you can also stop this trade. Okay, you can also stop following this person. You can just easily cancel and stop following the person. Okay, now let's check out another person and see how that person is doing also, so we'll not just be stuck with one person. Okay, so let's see this person. Okay, now let's check big money. Okay, now big money today has lost 1.43%, and active days 48 days 33%. Now let's click on big money. Now for big money, what it's doing is using USDT. So if you're having BTC, you look for someone with BTC. If you're having USDC, you look for someone with USDC. Okay, if you're having Ethereum, you look for someone with Ethereum. Okay, so for big money, or let's go to fractals. Okay, fractals is using BTC, and today he hasn't made any gain, just 0% for today. So click on fractals and let's see how it's doing. Okay, now fractals, now managers equity, this person has 4,690 USDT, and followers equity is just 94,839. To tell you, people are really following this trader. Okay, people are really following, and he's doing very well, guys. He's doing very well, so you just have to check him out. Okay, so I encourage you guys, if you are scared of trading by yourself, you can just copy trade from this platform and follow these simple easy steps, guys. Okay, it's quite easy. So go to primexbt.com. Okay, it's quite easy to copy trade. Okay, all right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed.